Well, John, I need one more player. Can you help me out?
All right, Bob, let's get Jolene Koenig. Come on down. You're the next contestant on The Price is Right.
Jolene, I am very happy to see you down there. Now, what do we have for them to bid on, fellers?
A corner cupboard. Enjoy the country-looking decorating at an affordable price with this four-door cupboard. It features mesh screen, shelves, and porcelain handles.
Jolene, you get the first bid.
$650.
250 or 650. 650. Okay, Margaret.
Okay, $875.
875. Jolanda.
$550.
550. Linda, it's your turn.
What was the one on the end?
What is what?
What's her bid on the end?
650. 875. 550.
651.
651. Actual retail price of the prize, $715. Linda, you win. Boy, she slipped that bid in there neatly, didn't she? Right in the middle of the bidding. Hi, Linda. Oh, yes. Yes. You won that prize. Now I want you to win this prize.
A new car! Pontiac 1000 three-door hatchback, excitement, practicality, and versatility combined with impressive standards such as reclining front bucket seats and cut file carpeting from Pontiac. It comes with tinted glass, trim group, remote sport mirrors, aluminum wheels, steel-belted radial white stripe tires, AM/FM stereo, luggage rack, and California emission. Bob?
Linda, that car is at least $6,300 in price. This rangefinder will move slowly up this scale. When you believe the price of that car is in the red area, you press this button. If you're right, we'll give you that car. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Step over there. Don't press the button until you want to stop the rangefinder because we can't start it again. Start that rangefinder up that scale for Linda. Now, don't press it until you want to stop it. All right. I tell you, that audience was losing control out there. Now, Linda, if the price appears between here and here in the dark green strip, you own the car. Light up that price. You got it. $6,721. You won. You won. Yes, you won a car. You won the car. Oh, she won the car. Congratulations. You bet. She got the car and I got whiplash. We'll have our second showcase showdown after we do a little business with you.